you guys? It's Leah, and you guessed it, another Firmoo glasses review. Firmoo always reaches out to me at the perfect time because I always happen to need a new pair of glasses. My last pair of glasses that weren't from Firmoo, this part of them fell off, and so I was like, they won't stay on my face, I need new glasses. And then Firmoo sent me another email saying that they were gonna send me a free pair, and I was so freaking excited. And these are the ones I chose. They are medium-sized black frames. I love them, and you know what? I get so many compliments on these, like every day. I love Firmoo glasses, and they're never more than $39. So with these glasses, I did get them with prescription because I wear contacts, and if I'm not wearing contacts, I wear glasses. And lately I've been in a glasses mood, so I'm literally wearing these every single day. But just like the last ones, they come in this really cute glasses case, and they're there ready for you, waiting to be worn. If you guys are interested in getting new glasses, I have a buy one, get one half off promo going on, and that is in my description box below. All you have to do is go to www.firmoo.com and go through all of their glasses and choose which ones you like the best. I promise you, they are such good quality and you will not regret it. People literally ask me every single day where I got my glasses from, and I tell them every time it's Firmoo. They're really cheap, but they're really good quality. So here's what they look like on. As soon as I got them, they fit me really, really well, which always surprises me because usually the glasses I get, I have to go get fitted and then get them fixed so they fit me better, but these always fit me perfectly. The prescription is amazing. It's not too clear and it's not too blurry either. It's just the perfect amount, and these rarely ever slide down my nose, which is usually my biggest problem. These glasses came a lot quicker than the shipping even said it would, which is always a nice surprise. Who doesn't want to get their stuff sooner than they expect? But just like last time, I had such a good experience with Firmoo. I think I'm always gonna get my glasses from Firmoo from here on out. I think next time I'll get one prescription pair and one sunglasses pair because that's included in the buy one get one half off deal. These are my favorite glasses I've had so far. The last ones I got were non-prescription, and I love those so much, and sometimes I wear them even though I have glasses that I need to wear. I wear those other ones just because they're super cute. But now I have a really cute prescription pair that I can wear too. Alright you guys, well that was my review on Firmoo glasses. I hope you enjoyed it, and you guys should definitely try Firmoo out. They have glasses that are non-prescription, they have sunglasses, they have prescription glasses, and they're never ever more than $39. Don't forget to check out the buy one get one half off promo in my description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.